and cheese, Bella Swatter, the food stealer. See, look at that. He'll jump up and take the food. That's the only way to keep him away. Alright. Let me get him. Whoa. Come on, Bella. Come on. Stop rallying her up so I can grab her. Ooh, Bella, come here. Go back in the corner. Bad dog. Bad dog. Look at this, trying it again. Get out of here. Trying to eat. Seriously, he tries every time.
She goes back in there to like replenish her health or something.
Oh God.
Oh, she's not falling for it this time. Look, she's not doing it. She's not falling for it.
Ooh, phone drop.
Want to go?
No, don't start. It should have went.
Look, get the goldfish. Get the goldfish.
I feel like I'm playing a part.
Bella, don't get the goldfish.
Want a goldfish? Nope.
Give her a goldfish. Alright, back in the corner, you got your goldfish. Alright, come on, go back. Watch this. Back! Stop barking! Stop barking! Stop barking!
Ooh.
Stop barking! Back in the corner. Oh my God!
Wait. Watch this.
Back in the corner. Okay, now look, I walk away. This is what happens. I walk back in the room. In the corner! In the corner! No! Back in the corner. Oh my God! Back in the corner. Bad dog. Oh my God. In the corner. Oh. Bad dog. He's been trying so hard to get the goldfish. I decided to give him this. Bella! No more. Bella, come here. Bella. Look, here it is. Good boy. Good girl. Alright, let's hang that up. Tried so hard to get that food. Right? Couldn't get it. Could not get it.